Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friend. We hope that you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss how to keep your eyes healthy. Cucumber. Cucumber are widely used for treating dry eyes. They are rich in water that help soothe your eyes. They also contain vitamin A, the topical application of which is a proven remedy for dry eyes. Cut a child cucumber into round slices. Place them on closed eyes for immediate relief. You can do this 2-3 times daily to relax and soothe your eyes. Thanks for watching. For more videos, keep visiting my YouTube channel.